Friends, welcome back to TechnoViews, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. We are diving into a detailed comparison of two gaming keyboard and mouse from Zebronics. The first is the Zebronics ZebVar Gaming Combo and the second is Zeb Transformer Pro Wireless Gaming Combo. So the first is wired and the other is wireless. But which one suits on your gaming style best? So let's find out. Both keyboards comes nicely packed. This one is Zeb Premium Gaming Keyboard and Mouse Combo ZebVar. It is a wired combo designed for gamers on a budget. You can see. Let's unbox first. Inside the box we get our keyboard. You can see a wired keyboard and this is our wired gaming mouse. Let's begin with this ZebVar combo. This is the wired gaming keyboard and mouse built with simplicity and functionality in mind. Keyboard features: it has a full-size layout with 104 keys with rainbow LED backlighting. As you can see guys, it has elevated key designs for tactile typing. It has 3 brightness levels. You can see we can change the colors and we can off also, and it has a spill resistant design with 1.5 meter braided USB cable for durability. Plug and play, no software is required. And about its mouse, this mouse is an ergonomic gaming mouse and the DPI levels up to 800 to 24,000. Here's a right click, left click, scroll wheel, and it has extra buttons for gaming. It is USB wired connection with braided cable. Now coming to the Zeb Transformer Pro from Zebronics. This one is a premium wireless gaming keyboard and mouse combo. So first open it up, and here we got our white color super premium keyboard. In the box we get this wireless keyboard and our gaming wireless mouse and one Type-C cable for charging. About its keyboard key features: it has a wireless 2.4 GHz technology connectivity with nano receiver. It has a full layout with 104 keys, aluminum metal body for extra durability, and here's are the indicators, number pads. On the back here we can see it has 2 adjustable stands and it has also RGB LED backlighting with multiple effects. As you can see, it has breathing LED lights and we can change the mode also. It has multimedia hotkeys, double shot keycaps, and it does not has ghosting keys, but it has a power saving sleep mode with inactive, and it has a Type-C charging support. About its mouse features: it has also wireless 2.4 GHz gaming mouse, adjustable DPI up to 4000. You can see for FPS gamers. Here side buttons. You can look at the ergonomic design with good palm support. Typing is very comfortable. You can see soft keys built for gamers, and the mouse also very responsive. You can see very responsive keys. We can adjust the DPI up to 4000. This Zebronics Zeb Transformer Pro delivers a premium gaming experience without any cables. It goes wireless and the RGB effects are smoother, build quality is solid, and both the keyboard and mouse are rechargeable. Talking about performance and game testing, this ZebVar showed a 0 input lags thanks to the wired connection. Keys are very soft but responsive, good for fast typing and casual gaming. And the Zeb Transformer Pro had a wireless convenience with no noticeable delay. The RGB looks premium and mouse tracking was more accurate, especially at high DPI settings. Yes, about its pros and cons, this ZebVar has a budget-friendly, plug-and-play, stylish rainbow light. And if you want a keyboard and mouse under 1000, so this one is better. And about its cons, this is a fixed lightning mode, guys. It has no breathing lights, and you can see the mouse are little some big, and it has no palm rest and no software customization. Now about this Zeb Transformer Pro, about its pros: it has a wireless freedom rechargeable keyboard and mouse via this Type-C cable. We get this RGB with multiple effects. We can see it has a 3 levels of brightness, 1 2 3, and it has also breathing lights. About its cons, it has a slightly expensive, because if you are starting our setup, this will be some more expensive. It is come under 14 to 1500, so not so expensive. Okay, slightly heavier than this ZebVar, and the best part, it is wireless and it has a nice gaming vibes. You can see the build quality and the style is best, very suitable for gamers. If so, here is the final verdict. If you are looking for a budget wired combo for gaming and typing, so this ZebWire combo is fast, fantastic deal. But if you want a wireless freedom, premium lightning and pro features, then this Zep Transformer Pro is the way to go. I hope this video is helpful. Which one would you pick? So let me know in the comments below. If you like this comparison, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to TechnoWaves and turn on the notification bell for more honest tech reviews. And thanks for watching and see you in the next one.